Hi everyone, here we've got SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, and let me share with you how to enable call waiting on this device. So first of all, let's enter the phone and tap on this three dots icon. Now let's enter call settings and tap on the card you have inserted. Now we have to find additional settings, and as you can see, I've got some problems with my card, but no worries. If everything will be fine with yours, then you will be able to turn on this option. As you can see here, we've got call waiting, so after marking it, your device will notify you about any other incoming call if you will be during a call at the moment. So actually this is it. This is how to enable call waiting in your SONY Xperia C5 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.